Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zorin OS, create a bootable USB using Rufus, and install it inside VMware Workstation Pro. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading over to the official Zorin OS website. Next, download the latest ISO file available. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer. After that, search for Rufus and download it from the official website. Rufus is a portable app so we can run it without installation. Now, plug in your USB drive and launch Rufus. Select your USB from the device list and choose the Zorin OS ISO file you downloaded. For partition scheme, select MBR. You can also choose GPT if you're not using a virtual machine. Now click Start and wait until Rufus finishes writing the USB. This bootable USB can be used to install Zorin OS on a real machine. However, for this tutorial, I'll use it to install the OS inside VMware. Once that's done, download and install VMware Workstation Pro. Just follow the installer and leave everything at default. After the installation is complete, let's open VMware as administrator and click Create a new virtual machine. Choose the typical setup. When you reach the ISO selection step, select I will install the operating system later, since we're installing Zorin from the USB instead. Select Linux and choose Ubuntu since it's compatible. Finish the wizard and create your virtual machine. After the virtual machine is created, we can go ahead and edit its settings. Feel free to increase the RAM or CPU if your system allows it. Next, we need to map our physical USB drive. Remove the default virtual hard disk. Then add a new hard disk and select Use a physical disk. Pick your USB from the list. To make sure we're choosing the right disk, open Command Prompt. Run diskpart, then type list disk to display all drives. Look at the disk sizes to confirm which one is your USB drive. Once you know the correct number, go back to VMware and select that drive. Then add another new virtual hard disk where we will actually install Zorin OS. And that's it for the configuration. Power on the virtual machine. It should boot from the USB. Follow the steps on screen to install Zorin OS to the virtual hard drive you created. When the installation completes, remove the virtual disk that was mapped to your USB so the VM won't boot from it again. Then restart the VM and enjoy your new system. And that's how to download Zorin OS, create a bootable USB with Rufus, and install it inside VMware Workstation Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.